If you are using the APA referencing style and the article you wish to cite doesn't have a DOI or a digital object identifier, the APA style requires you to locate the journal homepage. This brief screencast will show you how to locate this URL or web address using our UlrichsWeb database. Log into MySCU and click on the Library tab. In the right-hand column, select Databases, then U from the alphabetic list. Then click on UlrichsWeb. You will be prompted to log in with your MySCU details. Type in the title of the journal. From the list of results, click on the journal title. The website for that journal is listed on this page. This is the URL you need to use in your reference. As an aside, UlrichsWeb also indicates whether a journal is refereed or peer-reviewed. Look for this academic gown symbol. Once you have located the URL for the journal, you can add this to your reference. Use our APA 6 style LibGuide to discover how this is presented within your reference list. If you need any further help, please use the contact details on our Need Help in the left-hand column or the Need Help chat service.